Hello, Leos. You are the radiant stars of the zodiac, born to shine. As a fire sign, your passion, creativity, and warmth light up the world around you. Born under the sun, the most vital of cosmic entities, you're gifted with an inner light, a brilliant beacon meant to both inspire and attract. In this guide, we'll explore the year ahead for you, Leo, uncovering opportunities and challenges in your path. Your fiery spirit and passion set you apart, Leo. Your confidence, generosity, and natural leadership are your greatest strengths. You have a heart as big as the sun, which rules your sign, inspiring others with your magnanimity and charisma. Leo, you're a born leader, and you have this innate ability to command attention without even trying. This is because of your sunny disposition and your unwavering confidence. Your generosity is another strength that sets you apart. You give freely and from the heart, whether it's your time, your resources, or your love. You have this incredible capability of making others feel special and loved. Your leadership is marked by your ability to inspire others. You lead with your heart, and that's why people naturally gravitate towards you. You don't just lead, you inspire, you motivate. And that's a gift not many possess. Your strength lies in your heart, which is as big and radiant as the sun. At times, your desire for attention and recognition can be overwhelming. In 2024, focus on harnessing your creativity for collaboration, and let humility be your strength. As Leos, you're naturally drawn to the spotlight, your charisma and confidence often commanding the room. However, this can sometimes lead to a craving for constant adulation, overshadowing the brilliance of others around you. This year, challenge yourself. Channel your creativity into collaborative endeavors. Let your fiery spirit ignite not just your own path, but also those of your team. Embrace the power of humility. Understand that it's not a sign of weakness, but of strength and maturity. Let your natural leadership qualities shine through in ways that uplift others, rather than solely focusing on your own glory. By doing so, you'll find that your own brilliance doesn't diminish, but rather it amplifies, reflecting off those you've inspired. Embrace humility and collaboration this year, Leo, and watch yourself grow. Reflect on the past year. The stages you commanded, the people you inspired, and the challenges you transformed into triumphs with your indomitable spirit. 2023 was a year of immense growth and accomplishment for you, Leo. You dazzled with your charisma, leading with courage and conviction. Your radiant warmth and unwavering generosity touched countless hearts, creating a ripple of positivity and inspiration. Every setback was a setup for a grand comeback. You faced each challenge head-on, transforming them into stepping stones towards your success. Your resilience was your crown, and you wore it with pride, proving yet again that you are the true king of the jungle. You used your creativity and passion to craft a year of unforgettable moments and achievements. Your spirit is indomitable, Leo, and your achievements in 2023 are a testament to that. For the coming year, set goals that challenge your creativity and leadership. Whether it's advancing in your career, nurturing your relationships, or embarking on a new creative venture, aim to shine brighter. Consider the professional realm. You might aspire to take on a leadership role, or perhaps you're eager to launch a project that's been simmering in your mind. In the realm of relationships, maybe it's about deepening existing connections, or perhaps forging new ones that reflect your growth. Remember, Leo, your creativity isn't just about artistic pursuits, it's about innovative problem solving. It's about seeing the world through a lens of possibilities. And speaking of personal growth, consider goals that push you beyond your comfort zone, that challenge you to evolve. You are not just a leader, but a learner, forever growing, forever blazing new trails. Aim to shine brighter in 2024, Leo. Your future is as bright as your spirit. Leo, your power lies in your ability to lead with heart and passion. This year, embrace your role as a leader. Inspire others, not just with your words, but with your actions. The world needs your warmth, your energy, your courage. You're a beacon, a shining star in the vast cosmic sky, and it's time to let that light blaze. Remember, leadership isn't just about taking charge. It's about empowering others, igniting their potential, guiding them towards their own brilliance. Your strength, Leo, lies in your ability to inspire, to uplift, to make a difference. And this doesn't need grand gestures or a spotlight. Sometimes the most profound impacts are made quietly, subtly, in the everyday moments of life. So step up, Leo, embrace your power. Let your actions echo your words, your passion fuel your journey, your heart guide your way. Lead with heart and passion, Leo. Your actions speak louder than words. Close your eyes. Visualize your dreams for 2024 turning into reality. Imagine the warmth of the spotlight, the thunderous applause, the sense of achievement. Picture yourself, Leo, in your element, standing tall, radiating confidence and grace. Your heart beats in sync with the rhythm of your success. Visualize the goals you set for yourself. See them clearly in your mind's eye, not as mere abstract ideas, but as tangible realities. Feel the thrill of each accomplishment, the joy of each victory. Bask in the glow of your achievements, for they are the direct result of your hard work, dedication, and indomitable spirit. Now carry this vision with you. Let it be your guiding star, your beacon in the dark. As the Lion of the Zodiac, you have the power to turn these dreams into reality. Let this vision guide you through the year, Leo. Your success is within reach. Step into 2024 with the roar of a lion. Your courage, warmth, and zest for life will make this year unforgettable. Embrace the challenges and victories that await, for they are stepping stones on your path to brilliance. Remember, your light is not just for you, but to inspire and guide others. Let your passion, creativity, and charisma illuminate every corner of your world. This is your time to shine, to lead, to inspire. Shine on, Leo, for your light is truly dazzling.